Okay, hey guys.
Okay.
We messed up in the other video. We were gonna make a video, but it didn't
we
really
just
work
got backwards on step 8. So we had to redo step 8, and now we're back on track on step 9.
Yeah.
And it's all together.
And I'm playing with the little tire as a squishy.
Stretch, relieving. Let's just.
Okay. Now I'm getting backwards. All right, look, I need this one more of the silver pieces.
Silver pieces?
Or gray.
Gray piece.
All right, and why is that fitting right? This should be like, yeah, I guess it works. One more. Okay, there's the other gray piece. Don't lose no pieces, sweetie. All right, now we're done. What the heck? Okay,
And
that's why. Okay, this isn't the right piece. I need one more of these pieces. This dark gray.
And a little teaser. We are going to do an unboxing video with a spider blank unboxing video.
Hey, can you find me another one of these?
What?
This piece?
It's right here.
No, it's not the same. See, this one has
That one has bumpies.
Yeah, it has
Wait.
an angle.
Angle, more like angel. Wait, woo!
That's an angle.
That's an angel. Angel.
Angel is an American television series that
Be
aired
quiet.
from 1999 to
Let's
2004
all-
and stars David Boreanaz, Charisma
Google
Carpenter, and Alexis Denisoff.
All right, Google off. Thank you for assisting. All right. We have lots of assistants over here. All right, ta-da! All right, now we're done with step 10. Now we can move to step 11.
Kind of looks like a spider.
Look what I made.
I need one of those.
2 of those. Yep.
I don't need that one. You can have this one. I
Okay,
need
don't lose any of these pieces because we're going to need them to finish what we're doing. Okay? And then we're going to need 2 of these pieces.
my done.
And 2 of these pieces. All right, here's step 12. You need those 4.
Wait.
Oh, you're still on 11. Okay.
This is
On the back end, back here, one on
Wait.
each side.
Wait, where are these? Wait. We missed a step.
Did I do that wrong? I did number 10 wrong. No, I did it wrong.
Oh, you used the tiny ones.
Yes.
We
I
gotta
did.
use the big ones. Technical
Complicated.
difficulties.
Yeah, technical difficulties. More like mommy difficulties.
Yes.
Mommy can't follow directions. All right, where's the other one?
right here. I was just going to get my crusty old.
All right.
Toes
Now
off.
that we've redone
Toes
8 and we've redone step 10, now we're ready for step 11. Okay. Here's your other piece. You want to put that other piece on there and finish off step 11? And I got your pieces for step 12 there too as
Here
well.
what it looks like.
And if you wanted to buy the set that I got, here what it looks like. I think we got it on. I don't know where we got it from because it was Christmas. I think we might have got it at Walmart or Amazon.
It wasn't a gift for me, so I couldn't tell you, but it was from Auntie Mona, so
Auntie Mona. I think
probably Walmart.
probably Walmart because they sell a lot of Ninjago stuff.
They do. All right, you ready for
Next
step
step?
12? Yep.
Yeah.
I have your pieces there for step 12, and I'll start working on
So
pieces for step
one right
13.
here. And then I'm standing up on the chair. No, on the little things by the chair. Mom, look.
Yeah.
Stand up.
You're okay.
Just like this.
this down. And now we put these. Wait. And now we need 2 of these. No, those. And then we put these just like that. Then looks like this. Kind of. Oh, wait. Doesn't it look like a dinosaur head? It looks like a dinosaur head in the camera. That's awesome.
Step 14 pieces are right
Step
here.
14. Oh, now I get where it's all gonna go.
See in the bigger picture?
Yeah. So this goes right above here, and then this disco time. Wait, what? Oh no, this goes right here. And then here what it looks like right now. It's kind of look like a front of the car, but like a spiky dinosaur. Now we need. I need to get them.
Okay.
And then goes just like just like this. And now they go right above here. This is what it looks like now. Kind of looks like a dinosaur head still. I want to say it's like a dinosaur head now. And then the gold part goes like here, and then
On each side?
right here. Yeah, just like that.
Mm-hmm.
And then right here goes just like that, and then this goes disco time. Now it looks like this. Kind of looks like one of those long neck dinosaurs. Don't know what it's called. I forgot. Bronchosaurus? Something?
Brontosaurus. All right. We are on
I'm
step
gonna find
19.
Oh, we used those. Where
Yeah.
did they go? Oh,
Right there.
right here. And then
Down.
this big one. So this one goes just like this. Then there. We got it done. And now, oh, it's on the bottom, right beneath here. So it goes right here. Okay.
So this is like a 2-step process because you're going to want to put those on the bottom of those and then flip it around and attach it.
It's
I
already
think.
flipped around.
Uh-oh, that piece isn't in there.
I still have glitter on my hands from the slime. Guys, I still have glitter on my hands from one of our slimes.
If you want to. Do you want help?
Yeah, I need help. I don't know how to put on plus on and negatives.
Wait, what?
Now I'm
Mom.
going to plus on
I'm
Uh-oh.
confused.
Yeah. Alright, do these have little stickies?
Oh my god.
Okay, good. Okay, hold on. You take these in the living room. I'll be in there in a minute to
What
help.
the heck?
Let me see.
There's like an invisible barrier.
Okay, so this is supposed to go.
The video might end because of the battery, so we might have to make step 2 after it charges.
All right. Is that right? No. Okay. So.
Red apple.
There you go. I think that's right. I'm not 100%, but I think it's right.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, Houston, we may have a problem. We're supposed to have 2 of the others.
Look, Mommy.
It's coming along quite well. And I need my glasses because I'm having a hard time seeing these pieces. And it says, "Don't poke the Lego guy in the eyeball." Just in case you guys are wondering if this could be dangerous.
What? What happens if you do it?
I'm not even sure that's a thing. I'm coming.
I'm confused.
Okay, we're on. Did you do step 22? Oh, it's just.
That's a little tiny baby.
Bana 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 bana.
So after you're done with,
Well, this
oh shoot, after you're done with step 23, I found it.
is it a Lego piece?
Huh?
Is it a Lego?
Yeah. I'm not
Look,
sure.
apple experiment.
What are you doing? I'm not sure. Yeah, okay, it goes this way. Okay, snap. Don't. What are you doing? Just destroying the apple there. You gonna eat that?
Yeah.
Okay. Those are done. And they go on the back. On the side. Like. Yep. Alright, now step 24, you kind of start building a whole nother thing to attach to this in a minute. So we can leave that right there. That's completed for now. You want to show everybody your nails?
No.
Okay. No, that's not how it goes.
Look, guys, it's a sandwich with only ketchup.
Stop being silly. Take that apart. Okay, stop using your teeth. Gross. Alright. Mr. Hungry Hippo over here. $24, $25. You gonna help or what? Okay.
Disco time.
Okay. Now we're on 28. Stop.
Disco time.
Okay.
Disco time. Yeah. Disco time.
29. And now we attach it somewhere. To the side.
Someone's at the door.
Like that. Oh, look at that. And I'm guessing we need to do the other to the other side. Okay.
Angry Susan. Angry Susan. Angry Susan. Angry Susan. Angry Susan. Angry Susan. Mom.
Yes.
E. Bum. Mom, I'm angry.
Almost done with bag 1. Gross. Don't be doing that in the video. Ew. I have all the pieces you need here. Look. Did you do this piece?
Angry
And
Susan.
this piece?
Are you an angry Susan?
Wait, oh wait. Wait a second. Okay, do you have that piece? Okay,
Susan.
now you need this little piece and
Susan.
this one.
Angry Susan.
Wait. You're skipping a step. You gotta do step 34. Here's your pieces for step 34. My bag, because
Angry Susan.
After you touch that on, then those go on the top.
Angry Susan. Angry Susan.
Luca,
Are you an angry Susan?
that
Yes.
goes on this side, and then
You
that little
do.
piece goes right there. And then you flip it over and do the other orange piece. Now pay
Happy,
attention
happy.
to how it's supposed to go. You're gonna hurt
Happy,
yourself on a
happy now.
skateboard trying to do Legos.
Hattie. Oh, what? Anger levels go over limit. Some of them.
The cool box. It's a new episode of Cool Box. What?
Strawberry shortcake, more like berry cake. Sensor. Mom, I need help! Anger goes over limits. Guys. Epic.
Alright, what step are you on? The black step? Or is that piece? Alright, so this goes like this. Oh no, I think you did this. Yeah, you did this backwards. This one goes this way. And that way. And it should. That's not right. Okay, what did I do? Luca, what are you doing?
like to cut, G.
Okay. We're gonna end this.
I like
Those
to
kinda
cut, G.
activities continue. Okay. Time to turn it off, Luca.